Hello, hi. So in this video I am going to show you how you can create any SaaS website with free deployment. You no need to pay any hosting fee, and also it can handle 1 million visitor, or if you have SaaS have a lot of function, then you can say 50k to 70k monthly user for free. So how we can do that? we can use we can use here uh, Lovable, Bolt, Netlify and GitHub. So these four things we are going to use. You can see I have not paid anything. I am using the free plan of Bolt and Lovable, and you can see we are not getting any edit with Lovable watermark or Bolt watermark, and you can see the website is fully professional and fully functional. Okay, I'm going to show you everything. Okay, so everything you can, whatever you want, you can create inside here. Okay, so let's say how you can do that. Okay, so first you need to create a Lovable website, Lovable account. Okay, just sign up the account, go to lovable.dev, sign up the account. After sign up, what you need to do, I know whatever you will put here, you can create those app or website. Okay, after let's say you have created website using prompt, then what you can do, you can connect with your GitHub. Okay, so you have, I know you have GitHub account. If you do not have, create the GitHub account. After the creating the GitHub account, so what you can do, you can click here on the GitHub icon, then you can connect your GitHub. Okay, you can see I have connected my GitHub account. You can see if I click on the configure, so you can see I have connected my GitHub account. Okay, let's say this is connected. Okay, then second, I need to because when you are going to do here, then it will show edit with Lovable, this kind of watermark. Okay, and you cannot publish it in the custom domain. Let's say if I am going to publish this in custom domain, so it will here say, it will ask for you can see if you are going to add a custom domain, it will ask to upgrade. Okay, so you cannot do. So what we can do, so I know we have moved this project to the GitHub. Now what we can do, now we have a Bolt. Because why we are using Bolt? Because either you can start from the Bolt only. Okay, so what we can do, if you do not want to use a Lovable, then you can use only Bolt.new. But let's say inside the Bolt, Bolt.new provides some free things. You can export your project, download your project and upload in anywhere. Okay, so let's say I am going to show you. Let's say I have this a project. Okay, let's say I am going to show you. Let's say I have this project. You can see imported from GitHub, it is showing here. So what I have done, I have linked these I have linked these this GitHub to this Bolt.new to GitHub. Okay, so after let's say, so after linking, all the project will show here. Okay, let's say it will show here. After it going to show, what I can do, I can download the file. Okay, just click here icon and export here, download. Let's say you have downloaded it. Let's say this is going to be preparing to download, it will download your file. Okay, after you download the file, what you can do, go on the Netlify, because Netlify is a free hosting provider. You can host website, and also what you can also it's not only for website, it's also for SaaS. Okay, let's say I am going to Netlify. This is a Netlify. Just create account, sign up, everything. Then after the sign up, let's say, let me just sign up. Okay, let me just log in. Okay, I have logged in. Okay, no problem, I have logged in. After logged in, you can see, if you do not have, you can, what you can do, you can create a existing project, or start a deployment manually. Okay, so what you can do, in the first time, deploy manually. Okay, just sorry, deploy manually. First you need to like upload the project, okay, import an existing project. I created this one, okay, and choose a template like you need to like deploy manually, okay. So try Netlify drop. I have clicked here and you have like project, right? You can upload here. Upload after this project will uploaded, then it will show like your project like this, okay. Then what you can do, you can connect your domain here, and you can connect your like a domain by going, just first click on this, then go on domain management, connect the domain. It will also giving you free SSL. You can connect the free SSL. After the connecting the free SSL, what you need to do, let me think, okay, one second. I have written down in the my note. Let me showing you, one sec, sorry. Okay, then the, let's say you have connected your domain, you have connected your SSL, because SSL is giving the free. And after that, then you need to do project configuration. Just click on the project configuration. Then you need to connect your GitHub, okay. Connect your GitHub. You can see here you will show like connect your GitHub. You can search the GitHub, okay. And like it will show you like, it will show you like a here, it will show the connect to GitHub. When you connect the GitHub, what will happen, anything you will update here, update in the Lovable, or either in bolt.new. So all thing will like update automatically. So because Lovable is connected to GitHub, and bolt is connected to GitHub. So if anything, if like let's say if I am going to do any changes, so it will like it will going to change here, okay. You can see 23 minute, 25 minute, 1 hour, it will change here, okay. And all three are linked. Your bolt linked, your Lovable linked, and your GitHub is also linked. So it, and also your like Netlify is also linked. So it will like update automatically. You no need to like do anything. Just create your app. And if you do not have like a, let's say, domain, let's say just create a one domain, create a multiple subdomain, connect things. You can work like this way, okay. So this way you can your website have professional. You do not what I say, need any, you don't need any pay anything. You can create website, you can deploy it, you can host it for lifetime. No need hosting. You only need like a domain, okay. You can buy some cheap domain, let's say .pro, .app, this kind of domain in like less cost. Anywhere like a GoDaddy, Namecheap, anywhere you can buy, and you have hosting. You can create the SaaS website, and you can like manage all things here, okay. And you can like, whenever you are going to create any website, you can use the ChatGPT. Let's say I am going to create something, these things, okay. Like we are going to give the prompt here, okay. So if you are going to like give the prompt one by like few prompt, then like it will cost you some token. So what you can do, you can tell like you can tell GitHub, you can tell ChatGPT to give the complete prompt, and you can upload all prompt in like a Lovable or a Bolt, and it will update all the things. It will create all the things, okay. So yeah, this way you can do all the things like for free. You no need to like pay anything. And like if you talk about the quality, you can see my website. I have just created the website. You can see it's like a completely like great, okay. And it not only like this is a static website, you can like whatever you want to add, you can add here. Any like a functional thing, any technical thing, you can update here, okay. Thank you so much. Bye.